Hello guys, here is my Delhi to Nainital video. We went to Haridwar first for Pitru Shraddh and then Nainital. We started our journey around 10 am for Haridwar. We enjoyed scenic route with pleasant weather along the way with some music.
सफरनामा सवालों का सफरनामा शुरू तुमसे खत्म तुम पे सफरनामा जिसे ढूंढा
So after 5 hours long journey, we reached Har Ki Pauri Haridwar for Pitru Shraddh. As we reached in afternoon, there was ample space to park the car. There was no rush at all. On our way to Holy Ganga Ghat, we also saw some stall where you can get souvenirs. We performed puja on the ghat and paid homage to our ancestors. I spotted this beautiful shivling and tried to capture it from across the Holy Ganga river. I wanted to test my camera's zoom in power and it turned out pretty good. Overall experience of visiting Haridwar was truly divine. After Haridwar, we started our journey for Nainital via Uttar Pradesh. It was approx 5 hours drive from Haridwar. We didn't know it would take so much time, but the show must go on, right? On our way to Nainital, we watched so many beautiful villages of UP. Thanks to our friend Googly. I nicknamed Google Map to Googly. After tiring journey, around 9:30 pm in night, we reached our resort on the rocky road of Naukuchiatal. Here is the glimpse of Naukuchiatal from the room. I'll cover everything about it in my next video. Thank you for watching and please share and subscribe.